What up everyone, it's your girl, Superwoman. How's it going, Muffin Tops? Are you having a good day? I hope you're having a good day. So I get a lot of emails. For example, are you dating Arjun? Are you dating AK? I think you should date AK. I already emailed AK about you dating him. Why do you act black? I heard you're married to Humble. Do you love brown man things? Is that a wig? My friend and I think you should marry Inquisitive. Can you hunt Bilal Habib's leg? Let's just make this easy to all of them. Yes, but sometimes I get emails that have some good substance to them, and I get a lot of emails saying, please make a video about homosexuality. So, here it is. Let me start off by saying, people are gay. If homosexuality was in a briefcase and you were on a game show, don't pick that one, because it's not going to be a big deal. I personally don't understand why it's such a big fuss about who other people like. I mean, why would you possibly care about who someone else wants to be with? When two gay people are together and living happily, here's a list of the people who asked for your opinion. Oh, attention homophobic people. Are you so insecure that you need to evaluate someone else's relationship so that you can feel right, better, and more powerful? Yeah? Do you feel like a Power Ranger now? By the way, Red Ranger, gay. There's other ways to feel better about yourself. Do P90X. Take an effing vacation. Watch a Disney movie. Just not Lion King. Not Lion King. Or Little Princess. Don't do this to me, Disney! Don't do this to me! Now forgive me for bringing up Indian culture, but naturally that's what I'm most familiar with, so I think that I need to call us all out. I don't mean to generalize, but Indians, for the most part, you are ignorant as F when it comes to homosexuality. And my question is, how do you have the right to be so ignorant and macho? I mean, hi, have you seen our movies? Hrithik Roshan's pants are tighter than mine. This is what we find manly. We sing and dance in fields wearing neon colors. We aren't even allowed to speak to the opposite sex until we meet them for the first time on our wedding day. Dudes in India hold hands all the time. And really, you want to start acting all macho and tough? Yo, dude, that guy's gay, yo. That guy's so gay, oh my god, yo. Yo, you want to go watch Kal Ho Na Ho again? Alright, word. Indian parents, listen to me. You know, ignore my hat. You know, listen to me, okay? Uncle, auntie. If your kid is gay, I know that's a hard thing to digest, okay? But you know what? In this day and age, your kid could be many other things. They could be a criminal. They could be a druggie. They could be an effing zombie. So if your kid is gay, be proud that they have the courage to come out and tell you that, because they know the hardships associated with that. It makes me so sad to get emails from so many people saying, you know, I'm Indian and I'm gay and I know my parents would kill me and they'd disown me. Wake up! I mean, if you don't want to accept your kids for who they are, then you should have never had kids in the first place. Kids don't work like this. You don't have an effing scantron during labor, like, okay, chal brown eyes kariye, doctor, doctor fair skin hona chahiye, acha, okay, good at math, spelling, acha, theek, okay, good, oh, please, no gay. It doesn't work like that. I mean, I know you're used to bargaining for things, but humans are not products. It's not like when you get twins, it's buy one, get the second free. Okay, I'm gonna say something and it's super real and it's super honest and it's super blunt, so if it offends you, I'm really super sorry. For all those dudes that are super macho, not to generalize, but if you're one of those dudes that are super macho and you like to make fun of gay guys and you know, that's just who you are, you know people like this, let me break this down for you, okay? Have you ever gone to a club and seen a gay guy grinding with a super hot girl? Yeah, I have. Yeah, in fact, if you follow Kingsley on Instagram, he's always with hot girls. And you might think that's because, oh, because they're girlfriends, you know, they're girls. No. That is because girls are attracted to confidence. And I can assure you that a gay guy is 10 times more confident than someone who needs to tease a gay guy. So hey, you can call him a vajayjay, but he'd be getting that vajayjay if he wanted to. Meow. I'm gonna be real, there's so many guys out there that depress me because they're gay. Because I want them for myself. And I want to have babies for them. I wish I was a spatula and just for one day I could just go bloop. How you doing? Because a lot of gay guys are super hot. Hi Ricky Martin, how are you living to vida? Oh, sorry, my panties just dropped. I get emails from girls all the time saying they're attracted to me and they go lesbian for me. And you know what? I'm friggin' flattered. Have you ever been to a pride parade? Friggin' so much fun. I don't mean to, you know, generalize and make one group of people seem better than the other, but gay people are so much fun. Ellen DeGeneres, effing boss. Lance from NSYNC, yeah, okay, we all know we had a crush on him. Kingsley, effing orgasmic. Or are you a manly man who hates gay people? What time is it? Hi, check on your DNG watch. Gay. Oh no, your wrist is gay. Oh no. Neil Patrick Harris, such a pimp. Adam Lambert, friggin' hottie. I think I've proved my point. Lastly, the word gay means homosexual. Don't be stupid. If you're gonna come up to me and say, yo, your shoes are mad gay, yo. I'm sorry, are you implying that my shoe has sexual intercourse with the shoe of the same sex? If you are implying that, then please never speak again. Stop using the word gay for everything. Use your damn brain. And now I do need to throw in this disclaimer here. This is just my personal opinion. To each their own. I'm not here to tell you what to think. I have no right to do that. All I'm saying is that I believe that people can have their own religion, own culture, own beliefs. Granted, you have every right to. But that's about your life. I don't think it's right for people to think they have the right to tell other people how to live their life. To each their own, man. So if you agree or disagree with me, totally cool. If you do agree with me, click the link in the description to share this video. And if I offended you, I'm sorry. Here's a rainbow. Double rainbow. And yeah, that's a wrap. Sorry if that wasn't funny. Actually, no, I'm not sorry if it wasn't funny, because it was real and positive, and that's what I'm about. Real positivity. So if you like that, like my face, like my words and stuff, click subscribe, because I make new videos every Monday and Thursday. Hey. Real and positive, that's how I roll. Yeah, that's how I roll. I also do awkward things like this. Alright. Have yourself a fantastic day. I'm gonna roll on over here.